Hello and welcome to ITMaster's Current Affairs YouTube video. I'm here to discuss a major development in global geopolitics that could have far-reaching implications. On September 29, 2023, Russia made a startling announcement that sent shockwaves through the international community.
Russia declared its intention to dramatically increase its defense spending by a staggering 70% for the upcoming year. This marks the largest increase in recent memory, and it will propel Russia's defense expenditure to nearly 6% of its gross domestic product, GDP. Now, let's break down the significance of this announcement.
The timing. First and foremost, the timing of this announcement cannot be overstated. It comes at a moment when the world is closely watching the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, a crisis that has already caused immense suffering and instability. Russia's decision to boost its defense spending amidst this conflict raises critical questions about its intentions and the potential consequences for the region and beyond.
The war in Ukraine is an intricate and deeply rooted conflict that has been ongoing for years, with significant escalation in recent months due to Russia's full-scale invasion on February 24, 2022. This conflict has had profound consequences on Ukraine, its people, and the global stage.
Russian invasion. On February 24, 2022, Russia initiated a full-scale invasion of Ukraine, utilizing forces from the north, east, and south. This invasion marked a significant turning point in the conflict, shifting it from sporadic clashes to a large-scale military confrontation.
Ukrainian resistance. In response to the invasion, Ukraine mounted a formidable resistance. The Ukrainian military, alongside determined civilians, fiercely defended their homeland. They inflicted substantial casualties on Russian forces and managed to slow down their advance. The resilience of the Ukrainian people has been a defining aspect of this conflict.
Humanitarian crisis. The war in Ukraine has resulted in a devastating humanitarian crisis. Millions of Ukrainians have been forcibly displaced from their homes, seeking safety and shelter. Tragically, thousands have lost their lives in the fighting. The conflict has disrupted access to basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter for millions, exacerbating the suffering of civilians.
Global impact. Beyond Ukraine's borders, the war has had a considerable impact on the global economy. The prices of energy and food have soared, straining economies worldwide. The conflict has created uncertainty and instability in international markets, contributing to a slowdown in the global economy.
Sanctions. In response to Russia's invasion, the United States and its allies have imposed stringent sanctions on Russia. These sanctions have targeted Russia's financial sector, energy sector, and defense sector. However, despite the economic pressure, Russia has not yet withdrawn from Ukraine.
Negotiations. Russia and Ukraine have engaged in several rounds of negotiations aimed at achieving a ceasefire and a peaceful resolution to the conflict. However, these talks have not yet yielded a lasting agreement, and the fighting continues in various parts of Ukraine.
Potential arms race. Another major concern is the possibility of a new arms race. Other nations may feel compelled to increase their own defense spending in response to Russia's actions, destabilizing the global security environment and diverting resources away from essential areas such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Impact on other regions. Additionally, Russia's enhanced military capabilities, funded by this substantial defense spending increase, might lead to its increased projection of power in other regions, causing tensions and instability beyond Ukraine. In conclusion, Russia's announcement to boost defense spending by 70% is a development that warrants close attention. Its timing amidst the Ukraine conflict and economic sanctions sends a clear signal of Russia's intentions, which could have far-reaching consequences. As this situation unfolds, it's crucial for the international community to monitor the developments carefully and work towards a peaceful resolution to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Thank you for tuning in, and please stay informed about this critical issue.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further information on any topic, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching ITMaster, and we appreciate your support. Stay informed and have a great day.